name is Charlotte. I recently found the most amazing website. It's a must for all chocolate lovers. You can order white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and it's simply delish. The best chocolate I've ever tasted. Believe it or not, they even do chocolate jewellery. From necklaces to rings, a real must for the girl who has everything. I bought some for my friend and she was amazed by this most wonderful gift. They also sell chocolate cosmetics, which are great, a lovely gift to give on a hen party, etc. Their Valentine range, I was really impressed. So unique and different. You can also purchase a selection package so you can sample all the different kinds of chocolate. Their hot chocolate with coconut, oh, to die for. And they even give free shipping if you spend over €50. So have a look. It will be beyond all your chocolate expectations. Many thanks.